and deburr this thing a little bit, because it is absolutely nasty right now. It doesn't rip my flesh like a whole pack of weasels. What do you know? Looks like I got it right the first time. It's right in there, little bugger. Can't do it with one hand though. Who's your daddy? Put some furs on it, but it's out.
Bottle it up from Sarah. Warren Zevon, an excitable boy, would be the title track from the late great Warren Zevon. Dave Matthews, Crashing to Me, back there too. Some new stuff from Morrissey. That's How People Grow Up. Actually, one of two new songs from a new best of Morrissey. Bob Stewart, Boston's Independent Radio, 92.5 The River, 35 Minute River Music Set. We'll do one of those babies. Coming up next.
The real estate market is ever-changing and highly localized. Interest rates are low and buyer opportunities have never been better. If you're on the fence, the National Association of Realtors wants you to know that a home isn't just a great place to raise a family. It's also the key to building long-term wealth. On average, the value of a home yearly doubles every 10 years. To learn more, visit housingmarketfacts.com. Every market's different. Call a realtor today.
Only realtors are members of the National Association of Realtors. Figures based on NAR's existing home sales historic series. Markets may vary.
Love these Sunshine snacks. Got them at Walmart. Love the price, too. And get this. For every bag made, Sunshine.
Panera Bread, more than the movie. You're a tough critic.
Well, here we are again. The
Even if it's a documentary.
engine is out of the bike.
Over dessert?
Yeah.
I missed that part somehow. I wanted to get it on here, but it just didn't happen.
Stop by your neighborhood Panera Bread.
Ended up being relatively uneventful. At one point it did tip. Right now I'm trying to get the turbo off. Having a little trouble with the exhaust manifold bolts. This one's cross-threaded. Not for long. Now on the inner ones here, believe it or not, they're unscrewing by hand, which is just too amazing. Wicked. I wouldn't have been able to even get a Bondus in there, which is, you know, a ball-headed Allen socket cap. Just amazing. They're coming right out. Love that anti-seize, I guess that's what it is. That one feels a little tight. That one I can get a wrench on. Oh yeah, and I have the engine kind of looks like, oh, let's see. And sitting there like that. That's the last one. Should come right off. What else we got? Oil line. Great. Short I cut and everything. Whoop. Here's that. Obviously, I'm going to screw it. And the turbo. And what do we see here? Nothing yet. Looks oily, that's about it. Next valve cover. Turbo.